Morning again, bros and sisters in the business of trading. How are you? You know, I say this, everybody should endeavor to greet me twice because I greet you guys twice. If you watch a video, the first one and watch the second one, if I greet you twice, you greet me back twice because I greeted you twice. Just saying, it's only fair, isn't it? Hey. Top down analysis as usual. How was your gold day trading yesterday? I got some good pips on gold yesterday. Please remember this to be able to save your money. You have to endeavor and do everything you can to become a good loser. One of the struggles I had in the early days was that I could spend 2 weeks making money. And on the third week in one day, in fact, there was this time it happened 3 months in a row, and that is where I decided to do a switch in my brain. For 3 months in a row, I would spend the first 3 weeks or more than 3 weeks of the month making profits. I would have made maybe 20, 25, almost 30% profit in my trading. And then 2 days towards the last day of the month, I would lose all that profit in 2 days. You know why? Because I was a bad loser. How was I a bad loser? I lose a trade, I want to make the money back. Then I don't know when to stop. I don't know when it's gonna be, because I would think if I do it, I'll make the money back. I'll try. Then now get to the point where I'm now even trying to make back the one that I had lost before, which I would have ignored. Mess. And you will not know when to stop. Because also there are so many times in those times where I would have made money, I would have lost money in the day, and during that same day, I would make the money back and make profit. So that now became a thing in my head where I believe I can make the money back, and every time I would lose, I'm trying to make the money back. And on those days where I would have not known, or I did not know that any trader will enter that there will be a loss, I will end up losing everything. So what was the way to solve this problem? The way to solve this problem was to create a rule. The rule I created was not more than 3 trades per day. When you get 2 results, you stop. So if I get 2 straight losses, I'm done. If I get 1 win, 1 loss, I still have 1 more trade. If I get 2 straight wins, I'm done. If I get 1 loss, 1 break even, I still have 1 more opportunity to trade. Just like that. So that was not able to put me in a space where I became a good loser, where on losing days, I will still be fine. Because this is the only thing that is going to make you a profitable trader. Otherwise, my brother, I'm not wishing you bad, I'm not cursing you. You will struggle. Or my sister, whoever you are, if you're a male or a female, you will struggle. So become a good loser, so it will help you. Start seeing this money that you're making. Because this financial freedom that they call trading, it ends up becoming the cause. Because why? We don't know how to handle it. So just wanted to put that out there before we get into the business of the day. Everyday pep talk, whatever comes to mind. I should get extra credit for that. Anyway, what are we looking at today? Where is price trading at right now? This is a support on the 4 hour, which is good. I like it because 4 hour support means something, right? Yes, it does. Let's see, hold up. Let's be sure we have everywhere covered. I really do not like choppy markets, man. So also, when the market is choppy, you try to trade more of the higher time frame. That's another thing that can help you. During choppy markets, use the higher time frame. You see how on the 30 minutes is very choppy, but see here on the 4 hour, you can see quite clearly. On the 1 hour, a little bit clear, but definitely better than the 30 minutes. There's a reason why the lowest time frame I show you is 30 minutes, because that's where most of my trades come from, majority. I will trade 15 minutes sometimes, but I seldom do that, and I hardly use it for confirmation because it's quite weak. The higher the time frame, the better the confirmation. Okay, we have price trading as a support right now. This is choppy, bro. Oh, let's see. Um, this place price could easily reject from here. And how far is that? I don't know. But we'll try it. So, so what has price done? Price got here, pushed all the way up, gradually came down here, and it seems bullish. So anyway, regardless of the fact that this is choppy here, just because I'm thinking about how price has traded in this range, and today, this was yesterday, today price has not tested this area yet. If I should get this thing close bullish, I would buy with hopes of getting 800 pips or more. If price decides to close in this zone, guys, I am not going to sell here. And the reason why I'm not going to sell here is because if price pushes here, it could easily reject. So if I am going to sell in this area, I will need price to push down and break through. Break and close below this area, I can sell to go down from here. But if it pushes down and gives a bullish confirmation, I will even be happier because that gives us a bigger range to trade. So bullish confirmation here, we buy to go up. If it gives a bearish confirmation from this zone right here, we sell to go down. If it pushes above and close above this point, this is another clean range to push to the upside, and so on. And from this side, if it closes bearish here, I most likely see. Sometimes I would say I would not do something, but when there's volume in the market, different things can happen. So if price closes below this point, I will most likely not sell. I'll wait for it to see what it does in this point. If I get a bullish confirmation from here, buy, breaks and close below here, we sell to go down. And if it gets all to this point and you get bullish from here, a better range for a good buy. Anyway, that will be all. 7 minutes, way too long, way too long. Have a beautiful day trading. Discipline, focus, patience. Don't force a trade. Do not trade what you think, trade what you see. That will save you your hard-earned money. God bless.